What should we cook tonight? Keep it fresh.
All veggie style though.
All veggies.
Okay. We gonna hold
Join us as we make oyster mushroom pasta with zucchini noodles.
Yeah, that's for the green. I'm about to cut this down. So yeah, we got this mushroom steak. This is what I call it mushroom steak. So I just cut these little pieces off. Sometimes I use them for certain things, but like this one, I'll use that. All right, so this is how we get our steak mushroom prepared. Put your mushroom in a bag. Put a little bit of olive oil. I already put like a little secret little swoop in there. Get a little bit of garlic paste. You know, a little bit of that. And then we just season it up. You use whatever seasonings.
Are there any like particular seasonings that you use that, you know?
I say whatever seasoning that you use for your steak, use for your mushroom and stuff too. So once you get all your seasonings and everything that you need in the bag will be in the recipe description, link in the bio. Once you put all that in there, you gotta like massage it in, like, you know. I say let it sit in your refrigerator for about 15 to 25 minutes. Let it marinate for a little bit, or if you planning on doing it in advance, you let it marinate overnight.
Oh, overnight? Ooh.
Overnight.
That's when the seasonings be seasoning.
So you just get it in there. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, fresh out of the refrigerator. Now we're just gonna just lay it out like this, like that. And then you take something that you have to like, kind of like,
You already have your water going?
yeah. All right, y'all, so we're making some chicken pasta with our oyster mushrooms. So this is cooking down. So this is our chicken, mushroom chicken. This is oyster mushroom, y'all. So this is what we're gonna transfer into our noodles once our zucchini noodles finish boiling. We got the zucchini noodles and we got some broccoli in there. That's gonna be good. Pasta noodles.
Zucchini noodles. Add that to the water. Let it boil just like you do a regular noodle.
All right, y'all, we got our zucchini noodles and our broccoli boiling. So this is just about done to strain the water out. And we're gonna mix everything together and the sauce and everything. All right, we're getting the sauce down. Put some more cheese in there and then melt down some Parmesan. You gotta go get the recipe, link in bio, to get all the mixes for your sauce, for your pasta sauce. But we did a pesto sauce though. So we're gonna let that rest of the Parmesan cheese melt down, and then we're gonna mix everything together. Alright, so just put the noodles, zucchini noodles, and the broccoli in the sauce. I'm gonna let this do its thing. You see that cheese, that Parmesan cheese. Hold the meat. Gonna mix that in, and then we're gonna mix our chicken, our oyster mushroom. Just a second. All right, so we got our chicken in there, our oyster mushroom. That's gonna be our meat replacement. So we're gonna get all that in there mixed in. Let it sit for a little bit and
Soak them juices up.
soak them in. Right. Veggie pasta. Let's eat. Alright. We're about to dig in to the veggie pasta. Oh, I forgot the ingredients. See? Alright.
Look.
I was supposed to do the tomatoes in it. I just seen them.
I know. I thought, oh my gosh, I thought about that too when I was like, oh, it'd been good enough.
Yeah, I always put it. I had brought some just for that.
Thank you, God, for this food.
Yeah, so I was just thinking, like, one day we're gonna go on a food tour.
This is slapping. No noodles, so you don't gotta worry about the carbs.
Zucchini. Zucchini's noodles, you see it?
And the chicken.
Oh, the chicken. The chicken. The chicken.
Bomb.
A little hot sauce.
Is that the kind that be in the long tube?
That's
little
a chili
thicker.
garlic. It's a little thicker.
I think I've had that. Slaps.
We all on camera with it. See, you gotta. I need a little bit. That's good.
Alright, I'll try a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Literally.
Literally. Let's see. All you need is a little bit. Look at the chicken, y'all. That chicken.
So, we didn't show everything that went into this, so you have to go click the link in the bottom and get the recipe. Get the recipe.
You want to get all of our recipes?
All of them.
Broccoli.
That's bomb.
You can hold the meat. You don't need the meat.
You don't need the meat, really.
Still be satisfied, because I'm trying to tell you, if you took a bite of this right now, you forget about meat.
You'll be like, there's no meat in here. This is really good. No, like, pasta noodles. You know, noodles can be, like, really fattening. And they're not good for women.
I think they said something about, like, that's how the fibroids and all that stuff be happening. Eating so much noodles.
And you have to look out for enriched noodles. That's not the kind that you wanna eat. Because that means that it's been like bleached and processed and all that stuff. You don't want the processed food.
Right.
So usually I go with like a spinach noodle or zucchini noodle, you know? Something that is a little bit better for us, you know? You know, it's like one of those things, like if you If you're gonna fucking put something in your body, let it be good.
Yeah. And still tastes good.
Yes.
Veggie pasta.
Yum yum. You guys stay tuned to our next episode.
Yes, come back and see us.
More recipes, more life. Okay. Hold the meat.
Hold the meat, veggie flavor, smooth and sweet. Ooh, the meat, take a seat, good vibe.